Ebiri 17 okwezi oku district ya Hoima ekarangira nko kuyatungira omuntu omwe orukuteekateekaho kuba yabiire arwaire oburwaire bwa Ebola ey'ekika kya bundibugyo bwanyuma y'ekitongole ky'ebyamagara okuhamya nkoku Ebola yabiire barukireho mu Uganda ahabwa omukongo owashangirwa feriro mu Uganda okurugirira Dr. Lawrence omushaija w'emyaka 51 bakamwiha omu irwariro rya Lunga omu district ya Hoima bamutwara irwariro rya Hoima Regional Referral Hospital bitu bakamuchebera bashanga atine Ebola.
Twafunaho omuntu akusooka aine bulolwaho obwa Ebola ngo mu kyaro kya Runga sajja emyaka 5 anyakore mimo yaye amwaro gwa Runga namunana atike migugu motoka na amato. So musajja ono tukamuleta irwaro Regional Referral Hospital mu isolation unit na Mbarara alindibwa na sample za tuwarwa Kampala mu lab kuraba zikebera. So rwebajyo tunegea makuru amalungi sample zitawukirege kandi zitaina oburwaire na kiziri negative.
Tumusiime nagira ngo batireho timu y'abashaho abakugu okugumiza muno bashomesa abantu emiringo yo kwerinda oburwaire bwa Ebola erikureeta okujeshagama burikina ko mubiri.
Tugenda maiso no kusomesa abantu kuraba mikute kwakana basawo baitu na marwaro oburwaire buno ndiko okubwetangira kandi tukongera kuterera abantu akaire kandi tukatuli bulindara twehale kwata abantu mu ngaro okwano kubakwata mu gona bokuba akawuka Ebola karugana mbalo omuntu kaine kugenda nambata kaine okuraba mu kwata na contact.
And also a flexible mechanism of 1 million euros that can be used by the Ugandan Red Cross as well. So we are already activating our resources, and hopefully we shall, together of course with the important Ugandan response, we are hopeful that the situation can come under control here in Uganda.
Hati ambassador w'ekigombe ky'amahanga ga Burayi mu Uganda His Excellency Jan Sadek arukugambaho n'abanyamakuru yagamba ngo bahireyo miliyoni 8 za euro okurabira mu International Red Cross okusagika Uganda okurwanisa Ebola.
This is of course something that we are following carefully with some concern, but we're also supporting the Ugandan response. We have just decided about an 8 million euro support through the International Red Cross to help on health aspects, surveillance, border crossings and so on.
Ambassador Jan Sadek arahamwe n'aba ambassador b'amahanga mukaga agari mu Denmark, France, Ireland, the Netherlands, Sweden hamwe na Australia batayayire ecweka kya Albertine okureba embera y'okutimba amajuto kwetwariza abantu ba bunyoro omukuba kutura no kubabonabonesa.
Your Excellencies, allow me to set out 6 tracks where Hoima City will respectfully invite European partnership. Each one maps directly onto European Union priorities, and each one is supported by readiness on our side in terms of land, in terms of institutions, political will, and the willing population.
As we welcome you today in the spirit of friendship and diplomacy, we humbly and respectfully renew our appeal for collaboration in tracing, documentation, restoration, and possible return of the cultural artifacts and heritage objects taken from the European Kingdom during the colonial era and the Kabale Wars.
Gashakwa Nwagaba Ambrose Katoto Hoima.